headset. It's a game changer for mixed reality. Let's break it down. The Meta Quest 3 is Meta's latest standalone VR headset, following the hugely popular Quest 2. Priced at $499, it promises powerful upgrades, mixed reality capabilities, and a sleeker design. But is it worth the hype? Right away, you'll notice it's slimmer than the Quest 2, thanks to pancake lenses. It's also more comfortable, with a balanced fit and adjustable strap. You can wear it longer, and trust me, you'll want to. Under the hood, Quest 3 packs the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chip, offering double the graphics performance. Textures are sharper, load times are faster, and everything feels smoother. It's VR, but finally next gen.
I'm all about the hype. I'm all about the hype. I'm all about the hype.
I'm all about the hype.
The biggest leap. Mixed reality. With full color pass-through and depth sensors, the Quest 3 lets you bring virtual objects into your real world. Imagine playing games, designing 3D objects, or watching YouTube, all layered over your room. It's like sci-fi come true. The Quest 3 already supports hundreds of VR titles, and more are optimized for mixed reality. Plus, Meta's growing app store means everything from fitness to social apps are just getting started. If you're new to VR, the Meta Quest 3 is the best place to start. And if you're upgrading from the Quest 2, the performance boost, improved visuals, and mixed reality features make it totally worth it. The future of immersive tech. It's already here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts about the Meta Quest 3 below. Is this the future of VR, or just the beginning? See you in the metaverse.